Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are fine. Today's topic is place value in expanded form, and we will work on page number 10 to 12 and practice on question 4. What is expanded form? In expanded form, we write the number by showing the value of each digit. As you can see in this example, standard form of 7294 and expanded form we separated thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. On your book page number 10, here an example of expanded form. First, look at the number. This is the standard form, and then we have to expand this number. First, a place value table has been drawn, and as we can write from right to left, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. And now we can easily read 300,000s, 9 10,000s, 7,000s, 800s, 2 10s and 4 1s, which is 397,824. Page number 11. Here, this is mentioned with number names. The digit 3 is in the 100,000 place. It stands for 300,000 and has a value of 300,000. The digit 9 in the 10,000 place. It stands for 9 10,000s and have a value of 90,000. As we have done first 4 questions of practice zone on question number 12, now we will solve question number 5 related to this topic. Question number 5 is write the standard form from the following numbers. Students, you have to write this question on your notebook neatly, and then we will solve one by one. Here this is A part. 8 10,000s, 5,000s plus 700s plus 9 10s plus 3 1s. And we have to write in standard form. First we draw a table of place value, and then we separated digits as it is mentioned in question. I wrote 8 in 10,000s place, 5 in thousands place, 7 in hundreds place, 9 in tens and 3 in ones. And then we can easily write 85,793. Now this is the standard form. In part B, it has been given as 300,000 plus 7,000 plus 400 plus 660 plus 7. Now we have to write in standard form. First we will draw this place value table. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, because after thousands we will write 10,000 in place value table and then 100,000. And in the question 300,000s are given, so I wrote 3 in 100,000s place. There is no 10,000s, so I wrote 0 in this place. Then 7,000s are given, so I wrote 7 in thousands place, 4 in 100, 6 in tens and 7 in ones. Then we can easily write the standard form by using this place value table. 3 0 7 4 6 7. Now this is C part. As you can see, it is mentioned 6 times 100,000. 2 times 10,000, 5 times thousands, 6 times 100, 8 times tens plus 1. So we will draw same place value table, and then we will write as 6 times 100,000. So I wrote 6 in 100,000 place, 2 in 10,000 place, 5 in thousands place, 6 in 100 place, 8 in tens place and 1 in ones place. Then we will write the standard form with the help of this table.